In front of me is DOOGEE V30 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening messages and selecting or creating a chat. Now click on this little icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. Following that, just tap on all of your photos that you wish to add. And if you can't find them over here, click Gallery. Look here. Tap on them and select Add at the top right corner. If you still can't find them, select Gallery. Hit Folders. Then tap on Images at the top. Look for it here. Select one of those apps or tap on those three lines at the top left corner and click on one of those sources, like Downloads. Either way, after finally finding your photo, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!